Hi lovers, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ijeoma Florence. If this is your first time stopping by, you're highly welcome to my channel, and do well to become part of the family by hitting the subscribe button. So as you can see from the video, I made a 2x6 closure. Actually, I made this closure using new Brazilian wool. This is not attachment, okay? So this is not attachment. I made it using Brazilian wool. So if this sounds interesting, continue watching the video. So here are the materials that I use. Here comes the wool. It always comes 3 in 1 packet. Okay. So what I did was that I brought out one roll, then I unravel it a little bit, then I cut it off. After cutting a little piece off, I now folded that piece into 2 as you can see from the screen. Okay, then I cut it into 2. That's what I'm doing. I'm just taking my time. This is not an attachment. So I cut it into 2 equal parts. Then I folded it over again. You can see the length. I folded it over again, then I cut it once again. That means in total cut 4, as you can see from the screen. So here are the other materials I use. My canvas set. Here comes the 2x6 lace net, then white paper for visibility, and my pin to hold down the lace closure onto the canvas head. Okay, then finally here comes the wool, and as you can see, I've already attached my nets using the pin. Then after which I now comb the wool, the tips. Okay, I cut off a little quantity, comb it again. I comb it again. I mean the tips, not all of them, the tips. Then I folded it over, not into 2 equal parts. One side must be longer than the other side. So let's ventilate. The procedure here is that you pass your ventilating pin through one hole, then you bring it out, grab 2 to 3 strands of hair, make a loop and drop it. Sorry that you could be able to see what I'm doing now, but don't worry, I'm gonna carry you along. So as you can see now, you pass your needle or your ventilating pin through one hole, then grab 2 to 3 strands of hair, hold it down, then bring it out, make a loop and pass that strand. Okay, and the pattern I use here is that I will pass my needle through one hole. When I'm passing again, I'll skip the next hole, go to the other one. When I'm passing again, I'll skip the next one, go to the other one. That is to say, let's say I pass through number 1, skip number 2 hole, pass to the 3rd hole, skip number 4, just like that. The reason or the essence of doing it this way is that we are not going to find it difficult to pattern after ventilating, because as I'm doing it now, I did not create any center pattern, but with this pattern that I'm using, at the end of everything, I'll just use my comb to find my center pattern. Okay, as you can see, if you look where you will even see the pattern is already there. Once you're skipping, the pattern will be there. Pass through one hole, skip the next one, go to the other one. That's how you continue doing it, and that's how you continue doing it. Okay. So this video is self-explanatory, although not that detailed, but do wait to visit my channel. I have a detailed tutorials on how to ventilate from scratch to finish. Okay, all you need to do while ventilating and all that you don't need to do while ventilating. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If this was interested to you, if I've learned one or two things, make sure you hit the subscribe button to become part of the family. Okay, like the video, share with family and friends. Okay, until my next video, stay safe. I love you. Bye bye.